Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is tactical nuclear weapons. First, let us see why is it in the news. Recently, Russia and its ally Belarus have been carrying out exercises to practice the deployment of tactical nuclear weapons. Let's now talk about tactical nuclear weapons, that is TNWs. TNWs are smaller nuclear warheads and delivery systems meant to carry out a limited strike in a smaller area. TNWs are intended for battlefield use as opposed to strategic weapons designed to be fired across vast distances to wipe out enemy cities. The underlying physics is the same, using nuclear fission and fusion reactions to release vast amounts of energy. The destructive power of TNWs, while typically smaller than strategic weapons, is still comparable with the atomic bombs used by the United States to destroy the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki at the end of World War II. Let's discuss how many TNWs do Russia and the USA have. According to the Federation of American Scientists estimates, the USA has about 200 TNWs, half of which are at bases in Europe. Russia has about 1,558 non-strategic nuclear warheads. These could be delivered by different means, including being dropped as bombs or fitted to a variety of missiles that are capable of carrying either nuclear or conventional warheads. Let's know about India and Pakistan's TNWs. India's nuclear doctrine aims at deterring nuclear use by Pakistan based on a short second strike capability, while Pakistan's nuclear weapons are intended to compensate for conventional force asymmetry vis-a-vis India. In this context, a recent nuclear doctrinal advancement by Pakistan led to the introduction of battlefield nuclear weapons or TNWs. Pakistan is manufacturing and fielding the TNWs of low yield and lightweight, mated to a ballistic missile named Nasr, with ranges up to about 60 kilometers. With this, Pakistan aims to acquire the technology and capability to counter India's cold start and second strike capabilities. Let's now know about India's cold start doctrine. The cold start doctrine of the Indian Armed Forces envisages swift deployment of troops on the western border within days if a situation of a full-blown war arises. This doctrine aims to allow Indian forces to conduct sustained attacks while preventing a nuclear retaliation from Pakistan. The operation would be carried out by a unified battle group involving various branches of India's military. It was after the conclusion of Operation Parakram in 2002, a military standoff between India and Pakistan after the Parliament attack, that the cold start doctrine began to find a place in the Indian military setup. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about tactical nuclear weapons. 1. TNWs are small nuclear warheads and delivery systems meant to carry out a limited strike in a smaller area. 2. The destructive power of TNWs is typically smaller than that of strategic weapons. 3. The ballistic missile named Nasr was used by Iran to deploy the TNWs. Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.